Tillage implements. Tillage implements are all the mechanical and non-mechanical implements that are used to make tillage a success. 1. Plough. Mouldboard plough. Used to till land. Functions of parts of a plough. 1. Share. Cuts the furrow slice. 2. Lanside. Keep the plough in contact with the cut edge of furrow. 3. Mouldboard. Turns the furrow slice over. 4. Hitch assembly. Used to adjust depth of plough and width of cut. 5. Handle bars. Control the plough. 6. Wheel. Used to adjust plough depth. 7. Beam. Is where all parts of a plough are attached. Depth adjustments. A. Depth. For shallow depth, lower the depth rod and tighten the set screw. For a deeper cut, raise the depth rod and tighten the set screw. B. Width of cut. For a wider cut, move the depth rod to the left-hand side. For a narrow cut, move the depth rod to the right-hand side. Maintenance. Replace worn-out parts. Tighten bolts and nuts. Clean the plough after use. Cultivators. Use of cultivators. To remove weeds and to loosen the soil to improve water infiltration and seed bed preparation. Parts. Share, tines, spikes, chisel, sweep.